Alright guys, I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll say I had no plans on filming any Final Bout content because I was not supposed to go to the event. That was until last minute where my wife booked me a plane ticket because she's super cool and she said, "You're going to the event." So I said, alright, it's time to pull the camera out and start documenting the entire process. So all the homies decided to drive together on a team for this event. So it's Derek, Ruvim, David, and Yev. And that required a ton of work for all their cars because they're painting the cars the same color. That was except for Ruvim. He said, screw all that, I'm sticking to white. He really liked how the car looked white, and I don't blame him, but he's been prepping this car for the last few weeks for paint because it had a ton of fiberglass work that it needed from previous events, and all this time he said, you know, I'm painting the car white. That was until a couple days ago where he decided he's gonna commit to the team and also paint it the same color. So that's what this video is gonna be. It's just gonna be Ruvim prepping his S13 for paint. I'm not gonna bother Ruvim too much because it's been a super stressful few weeks and he's got a lot on his plate, so I'm not gonna have him speak to the camera until maybe after the car is painted. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the process of Ruvim prepping his S13 for paint, and should be a good one.
I spent the whole day in my head, do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Maybe I should wake up instead. A lot of things I regret, but I just say I forget. Why can't it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I ain't feeling when you're high, but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. Yeah. Everything I need and I'm gone. When it ain't stealing, then I get a break. Wish that I could just get out my goddamn way. Hold it to the side. There ain't a better time than today. Well, maybe I'll lay down for a little.
Alright, well I don't even know what day it is at this point. We've all just been helping Ruvim as much as possible, and I didn't get any footage of Ruvim painting the actual car because it was super late by that time and we were all out of here. I think he started painting at 1 a.m. and he didn't get done until like 6 a.m. or something like that. Pretty crazy, but the chassis is painted and I guess we're gonna continue helping Ruvim scuff the rest of the parts today, but I guess I could show you guys the color that they decided to go with at this point. It's pretty crazy, but I'm super excited to see all the cars complete and sitting next to each other. I think it's gonna look super cool, and yeah, I'm gonna get some clips of the car right now. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna get this thing moved to the front of the house and get right back to work on the rest of the parts. So yeah, it's a little update for now, but I'm not gonna bother Ruvim. I'll maybe get an update from him later on once all the parts are painted and he's at a better stopping point because he's just on the grind right now.
Open make home from work. Well, so tired of being so tired. Well, I gotta build something beautiful, just go set it on fire. No lie, but sometimes the truth don't sound like the truth. Maybe because it ain't. I just love the way it sound when I say it. Yeah. That's what I do. If you know me, it ain't anything new. Wake up to the moon.
Ruvim, what the heck is this, bro? What happened to the white? What is this?
I had a new opportunity.
When new opportunities arise, you take them, right?
That's right.
choke in the stool, yeah, you choke higher and higher. Look you down, some hill, chilling down on the low. Hip on get down, bleed out. Kicking it, shaking you bitch, didn't know that little goof is up on what the flow when you go. Double up DJ, look tight, cause the night deep, the blunts you smoke. Big shout to my niggas, high risk, I know you want no fucking lead. Back to basics, DVP, I claim I need you, smoking on church.
Alright, Ruvim. I feel comfortable putting a camera in your face now that we're pretty much at the finish line. You got some explaining to do, my boy.
We got the car almost ready for final bout. Final bout's on Friday. It's about to be Wednesday. Decided we're gonna paint it green like 2 weeks ago.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
This thing was so fresh white.
I know.
What happened to
I
the...
made it clear to the boys that I won't paint it.
Like, you know I love white cars, but
Yeah,
I think this was the right decision, honestly. It turned out sick.
yeah, I knew it would turn out nice looking.
Mhm.
I do miss the white.
Hey, too soon, too soon. Too soon. No, the green looks really good. Honestly, like when they first said that they were going green, everyone was kind of like, eh. Like, I don't know if that's the move, but it looks so good. Especially with like his setup with the black wheels, black mirrors, just all the black accents.
I knew it was gonna look good because it's literally exactly the same as the white car.
Yeah,
It's just a different contrast.
yeah,
But
yeah,
like the black with just a bright color works really well.
for sure.
Before I decided I was gonna paint it green, I was prepping all the stuff that I was gonna repaint white, which was just the kit and then the fenders and quarter panels.
Hmm.
But yeah, decided to do a full color change.
Yeah, so all this time he was prepping the car to repaint white. Was pretty beat up from all the previous events, and then last minute, when he has about 2 weeks left, he decides to do a full color change. Crazy guy.
Yeah. One of the reasons I didn't want to paint it is because I hate taking apart interior.
Mm-hmm.
The boys have been very kind. Everyone's been helping me. It feels weird. But
You're usually the one helping everyone else, so
I know,
it's only
that's why
time
it
for us to
feels
return
weird.
the favor.
yeah. Exterior wise, I gotta put on diffuser and then front splitter
Yeah.
and change my front tires. And then tomorrow we're gonna change the clutch. Thursday, just finishing touches and then load it up on the trailer and
Off
hit
the
the road
final
after
bout.
work Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't wait to see all 4 cars just sliding next to each other. You know, just posted up on doors.
No doors. No doors.
No doors. No one's allowed to get doors that entire weekend.
The coolest thing about us is our cars, because we've never driven with each other.
Yeah, yeah. That's the one other thing I forgot to mention. This team is brand new. All 4 of them have never driven together, so it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how this goes.
Yo, we're gonna be a team for final bout, and then after that, it's just like we just have green cars.
It's insane. It's insane the commitment that all 4 of them had to put in just to have the same looking cars. It takes a lot of commitment, a lot of time, a lot of money. The boys decided to pull through and get it all done.
Check it.
Next day, Ruvim got his brand new splitter installed on the car. We are now at Eddie's shop. The boys are at it. They're gonna have this transmission out in what? How long till the tranny's out?
I don't know. I give it like
Ruvim.
17 and a half.
10 minutes?
17 and a half.
That's probably right. He knows.
That's the beauty of working on a lift. I feel like we just started. The transmission's about to come out. I'm gonna head out and go get some tires mounted on Ruvim's wheels. So we're gonna get to see David's car right now. We'll get a little update from him. And yeah, we'll be back at the shop and they'll probably be almost done with his clutch.